dear friend Shreyang Perla is going to Bangalore. We are really sad about that, but really happy that he is going to get some chips. Tanhai. Come on, bro, dunk.
And his name is John C.
Been 10 minutes. We are waiting for Shubhashree's scooter to get serviced. No one is moosing us. I don't know why.
This is why you have to be famous.
Yeah. Even
Not this much also. Not this much also. This content creator
no one
is not getting
caring.
in how. Think about us normal
but
people.
when I go to my scooter ka service station, they are like, sir, bunny sir. These people, they are sitting and chatting their gossip. Bitch.
I am with my neighbor.
I am going for a shoot and they told me that they'll send me a car, so I was expecting like a small nice car. Look at what they have sent me though. गरीबी देख रहे हो मेरी? We wanted to come by car, but since we are poor people, we came by scooter. No one gave us car today. How do you feel about it that no one gave us car?
हम पोर्शे लेकर आएंगे बहन. Mark my words, bitch.
What is the spelling of Porsche? Tell me the spelling of Porsche.
Porche.
Do you want to do some kayaking? पैसे है?
Hello, mama.
Let's see how much you have in your bank account. गरीब. Dashing car.
Bro, my nose is itching a lot.
Okay, let me help you. All for the vlog, guys. If you like the video, please like it, send it to your friends, and also subscribe so I can finally reach 1,000 subscribers. Please, love you, no. Meow.